Hello everyone, this is Sunil Bhardwaj. Today we are going to study about atom. As we know that everything in this universe is made up of matter, and matter is made up of small particles that is known as atom. So first of all we should know about what is atom. Atom it is the smallest particle which may be or may be not exist independently. What is that? Atom may or may not be exist independently. It may be combined into found into the compound state, or it may be found into the monatomic form. It is the smallest unit of a chemical reaction. Yes, atom is the smallest unit of a chemical reaction which take place. If we are talking about atom, so first we should know about who discovered the atom and who discovered the term atom coined. Okay, so let's move. If we are talking about atom, so it was considered that atom was discovered by a British school teacher named John Dalton. John Dalton gave the Dalton atomic theory in 1808, and in this theory he proposed that atom is considered to be indivisible particles, and the atoms of same elements have the same physical properties like mass, shape and size. He also added that atoms of different elements have different physical properties, which means they have different atomic size, mass and shape. But he could not explain about the chemical reactivity of the atoms, and also could not explain about the difference between elements and compounds. And the term atom first coined by scientist Democritus, who was the philosopher of Greek, which means he gave the term atomion, which means uncuttable. But in 20th century it was observed that many scientists studied revealed that atom is further subdivided into some teeny particles, or you can say some teeny subatomic particles, and that subatomic particles named as electron, proton and neutron. Okay, if we are talking about the discoverer of these elements, so electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson, and the year of discovery of that is 1897. He performed the cathode rays experiment. And proton was discovered by Ernest Goldstein in 1886 with the help of anode rays experiment. And if we are talking about the neutron, that is discovered by James Chadwick in 1932 with the help of bombardment of alpha particles on the beryllium metals, which gives the result of emission of neutral species that is coined as neutron. Okay, if we are talking about the charge present on these particles, so electron carry 1 unit negative charge, and same amount of but opposite in amount is present positive unit charge, And if we are talking about the species neutron, it was considered that neutral because it does not carry any kind of charge. So these are the subatomic particles studied by scientists in the 20th century. Okay, so these all properties are explained by the scientists. So in this video we will discuss about these properties. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.